Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix background check on DoorDash. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you understand the background check process. DoorDash partners with a company called checkr, which does all of your background checks. Typically the process takes anywhere from 5 to 10 business days, and it can also take a little longer due to delays. So make sure that you have provided all of your information correctly so you don't have any delays. Now also make sure to check your application status. So go to the checkr login portal using your credentials, and now here you'll see the status of your background check. It will either be pending, complete, or flagged. Now you can try resolving your pending or delayed checks. So make sure that all of your personal information is correct, and you can also try contacting customer support. Now also make sure to address all of your errors. Make sure to provide the information accurately, and if there is an error from the checker's part, you can dispute it. Now if you have a denied application, it may be because of criminal history or driving records. You can also appeal this as well by using the denial dispute, or you can also try contacting the team. You can also consult to legal and professional advice. If you're getting denied multiple times, you can try taking legal advice. So a professional can help you interpreting your background check and also guide you through the process. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.